And let's see what we got for 39. Nice box, okay? As you can see, there is a sort of imitation of leather. And here we have the watch. So in this little case, plastic transparent case, we see the instructions and the warranty, okay? International warranty. I don't know what type of value there is, but there is also a serial number here, as you can see. Interesting. Very nice cloth to clean up. It's nice. It's good quality. We have also a nice tool for the strap to change the size according to the wrist size. And now let's look at this watch. This is the watch that I bought. As you can see, this is all stainless steel, has a very nice thickness, it's 12.2, and I know that a stainless steel case of a minimum of 8 millimeter thickness, they are considered very good level cases for watch. Okay, so here we are with the bracelet, which you can see it is kind of very nice, not bad at all. I put the light a little bit closer so we can see the effect. The buckle, it's a very nice buckle, okay? Very solid. You know? Very good. I don't know if you can see it. I get closer. Which is not bad. It's well done, like very good watches, okay? Okay, so now let's see this watch a little bit closer. The blue part, it's metal. And believe me, metal means a good type of finish for used by good brands, famous brands, more expensive brands, okay? The glass, it's solid glass with anti-scratch coating. And as you can see, the case, it's also very well finished. It's kind of solid. Now, what do we have inside? What type of mechanism we have here? Japanese quartz mechanism, which is the same one of many famous European brands watch or American brands watch that use for quartz the Japanese movement, like that. And let's see now if, yeah. And on the other side, as you can see, we are changing the date. Okay, and our watch is set. Now let's compare this watch with my Tissot, okay? Look, this is a Tissot that I paid less than 500 euros. It's a quartz. Basically, I think they have the same movement, maybe, but it's Japanese movement quartz. And as you can see, the bracelets are different, but the weight is the same. You can see that the stainless steel finish, it's really similar. They have the same type of opening, okay? 39 euros for this one. Why should I think that this is a bad Chinese watch? I think that this is a good watch that costs less money because it's made in China. And the Chinese conditions in terms of work, taxes, cost per labor and stuff like that is different than European countries, where costs are much higher. And we all know that. A very good price for what I'm getting. That's how I feel. Thank you very much. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.